Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay yung continuation pa rin ng Unit 5 which is all about logarithmic functions. This time, the lesson is about finding the logarithm of a number. Ang ibig sabihin nito is we're going to find the value of logarithm of a number kahit hindi tayo gumamit ng calculator. Also, this lesson is a prerequisite in order for us to solve some logarithmic equations. In order to determine the logarithm of a number, we will use the basic properties of logarithms. Those properties are the following. The first one is property number 1. It is about the logarithm of 1. The logarithm of 1 at any base is equal to 0. That is denoted by log of base b of 1 is always 0. Examples: the logarithm of base 2 of 1 is equal to 0. The logarithm of base 3 of 1 is also 0. And the logarithm of base 5 of 1 is always 0. Property number 2 is about the logarithm of b raised to x with base b is equal to x. That is in the form of logarithm of base b of an exponential b raised to x is equal to x. Ang ibig sabihin niyan is kapag parehas ang bases ng logarithm at ng exponential, ang magiging answer ay yung kanyang exponent. Examples: the logarithm of base 2 of 2 raised to 3 is equal to 3. The answer is 3 because the bases of the logarithm and the exponential ay parehas 2, kaya ang sagot ay yung exponent na 3. Another example, the logarithm of base 3 of 3 raised to 5 is equal to 5. Dahil parehas ang base ng logarithm at ng exponential, parehas silang 3, kaya ang answer ay yung kanyang exponent na 5. Then one more example, the logarithm of base e of e raised to 4 is equal to 4. Dahil parehas yung base ng logarithm at ng exponential, kaya ang magiging sagot ay yung exponent niyang 4. The next property is property number 3. This is about a base raised to a logarithm with base b of x is equal to x. That is in the form of an exponential na may base pero ang exponent niya is logarithm, pero parehas pa rin yung base nila ng logarithm at ng exponential. Ang answer ay yung mismong number ng logarithm. For example, example number 1, 2 raised to logarithm of base 2 of 3 is equal to 3. Dahil parehas ang base ng logarithm at ng exponential, kaya ang answer ay yung number ng logarithm which is 3. Another example, e raised to logarithm of base e of 7 is equal to 7. Dahil parehas base e, yung logarithm at yung exponential, kaya ang answer ay yung number ng logarithm which is 7. The last property is property number 4. This is about the natural logarithm properties. This is associated with the property of logarithm of 1. This time, siya ay logarithm of base e of 1 is still 0. Ang ln of 1 is also 0. Dahil, as an idea, kapag nakakita tayo ng ln or natural logarithm, siya ay katumbas ng logarithm of base e. So these are the 4 basic properties of logarithms na pwede natin gamitin to solve or to find the logarithm of a number kahit hindi tayo gumamit ng calculator. Also, Prerequisite din ito at makakatulong para makapag-solve tayo ng logarithmic equations. Let's have additional examples. Example number 1. What is the logarithm of 10? Makikita natin na yung ating logarithm ay walang base. As an idea, kapag wala tayong nakitang base ng logarithm, that is equivalent to base 10. Kaya ito ay i-convert natin into the logarithm of base 10 of 10 raised to 1. Kasi yung 10, may exponent siya na 1, hindi lang natin sinusulat. Isusulat lang muna natin ngayon para maipakita natin yung answer. Makikita natin na yung bases ng logarithm at ng exponential ay parehas 10, kaya ang answer ay yung kanyang exponent na 1. Therefore, the logarithm of 10 is equal to 1. Ang ginamit nating property dito is property number 2. Let's have one more example. Example number 2. What is the logarithm of base 4 of 64? Ang gagawin natin dito is yung 64 ay gagawa natin ng exponential na may base 4. That is equivalent to 4 cubed. Kaya ito ay mako-convert na logarithm of base 4 of 4 raised to 3. Again, nakita natin na same bases na 4 yung logarithm at yung exponential, kaya ang magiging answer ay yung kanyang exponent na 3. Therefore, the logarithm of base 4 of 64 is equal to 3. Ang ginamit ulit natin dito is property number 2. Let's have one more example. Example number 3. What is the logarithm of ln e cubed? Makikita natin na ln ang nakasulat. We have the idea na ang ln ay katumbas ng logarithm with base e. Kaya i-convert muna natin to into the logarithm of base e of e cubed. Dahil nakita natin na parehas base e yung ating logarithm at ang exponential, kaya ang magiging answer natin ay yung exponent niya na 3. Therefore, then ln of e cubed is equal to 3. Ang ginamit natin dito is, again, property number 2. Let's have last example. Example number 4. What is the value of 5 raised to logarithm of base 5 of 2? Makikita natin na yung logarithm at yung exponential ay parehas na base 5, kaya ang magiging answer natin dito ay yung number ng logarithm, which is 2. Therefore, 5 raised to logarithm of base 5 of 2 is equal to 2. Ang ginamit naman nating property dito ay yung property number 3. So those are the basic properties of logarithm. We use it to solve or to determine the value or logarithm of a number kahit hindi tayo gumamit ng calculator. Ang mga property na ito ay gagamitin din natin sa susunod na lesson sa pagsosolve ng other exponential equations and logarithmic equations.